Hi guys, Nick Joseph here with Jameis Parada telling you the time Jameis almost killed us. Jameis was driving in a school zone when we realized B-Dub's half-price apps were ending in 20 minutes. We were 30 minutes away doing the speed limit, so I told Jameis to gas it. We were doing 100 in a 25 with kids there. This woman cuts us off and we went flying off the road. The worst part about this was that the driver was driving a Prius. We learned a lot about forces with this horrific experience. First off, don't trust people in Priuses. Secondly, an infant can drive better than Jameis. Without seatbelts, Jameis would have went flying into the tree, but his seatbelt helped to counterbalance his inertia. If he wasn't wearing a seatbelt, he and the tree would exert the same force on each other. Friction between the tires and the road allowed for us to slow down, or as Vince Sorello would say, skirt, skirt! We slowed down immensely because of the grooves in the tires rubbing up against the road. We did not fly because the force of gravity and the normal force counterbalanced each other and netted zero. This allowed for us to stay to the ground and not fly. We also learned driving a 2-ton Bugatti also allowed for us to create more friction, allowing for a quicker stop, because we had more mass. If we had a smart car, we would have been cooked. The last thing Jameis and I learned is don't eat at Buffalo Wild Wings unless you want to become really sick. We ended up calling an Uber to pick us up. His name was Omar. We still went to Buffalo Wild Wings. The end. Many people are probably thinking right now, where's Jameis? Why has Nick been talking for 2.5 minutes? I'm not tech savvy, so I wasn't able to put his part in, but take my word for it, it was pretty good. Since Jameis needs to say something so we could get the points on the rubric, he will say hi. Go ahead, Jameis.
Hello!
Go!